Good morning, everyone, and welcome back to a decentralized bull channel. Today, we are going to talk about some very important topics like how to not get wrecked on a token launch and how to start investing in private sales. Also, I will talk about the Bitcoin price targets and Ethereum price targets. Even though the Bitcoin price didn't move a lot in the last couple of hours, I'm still going to give a little small update. So make sure you stay tuned until the end if you don't want to miss any important information. Now, without further ado, let's jump straight in the charts. Right here, we can see Bitcoin sitting at $41,683, almost the same price as yesterday. We are moving sideways for the last couple of days. Like, I think the last 48 hours, we're just moving sideways here. We didn't really move at all. We are still trying to hold the bottom of this rectangle here. So let's see if we will manage to grow. In my opinion, I think we will probably go a little bit lower because market just pumped much in the last couple months. So we had just upside movements for the last couple of 3 months. There is time for a little correction, retracement, or however you want to call it. In my opinion, I'm not gonna my personal holdings, I'm not going to sell any Bitcoin or Ethereum. I'm just going to trade a lot of altcoins. I'm going to take advantage of the volatility of the market, and I'm also going to start investing into more IDOs and private sales. So make sure you subscribe, follow, and share this video with your friends if you don't want to miss any important information. Right now, I think Bitcoin might be going down to the 38,500. That would be my next bearish price target. If you will manage to go above this triangle here, the next price target will be 44,500, around this area right here. And if we manage to break out of this rectangle here, the next price target would be 49, and then even $51,000, and after that even higher price targets. So let's see how the price will develop in the next couple of days. Now let's take a quick look at Ethereum. And as we can see here, Ethereum still lower highs and lower lows, doesn't look very good as well. So we might go back to the $2,000 area in the next couple of weeks if some strong bullish momentum doesn't come into the market. Now the next price target for Ethereum would be 2,150. I think that's where we had a very strong resistance back then, and also very strong support. So I think that will be the next big price target for Ethereum, the bearish one. If we will manage to create a higher high here and go above the $2,700 area, Ethereum could literally go to the $3,500 area. But I think this is not very likely at the moment. In my opinion, Ethereum will go to over $10,000 in the futures, but not now. So let's see what will happen. Me personally, I'm not selling any Ethereum. Now let's see what else we have here. We see market rebounding actually a little bit. Nothing in the reds. Looks quite good. Link also $15.56. It was $16 as they dropped a little bit, but still our trade is still going on as discussed before. We can see, 1 second, just need the screen to load. Here we have our trade opened at $13 and now still quite good in the profits. And Link is actually one of the few altcoins that looks actually bullish. Like, it doesn't have the lower lows and lower highs like the other altcoins. So we can see Link, literally it's having an upwards bullish momentum right here. So if we don't go below this low right here, I think Link might be up for a run. So that's why I still have my Link trade open, and I also have my Say trade open. Besides that, I don't have any trades open. I'm also not looking to open ones for now. I'm waiting for really nice entry points, because I think the altcoins can dip a lot more. So be prepared, don't FOMO into the market. You still have time before the halving and before the big bull market. Now let's take a look at maybe the stock market. Let's see. Actually nothing happened because it's also the weekend, so we cannot see any movements there. Besides that, I think everything is just stable since yesterday, so not much happened. In my opinion, I also want to advise you, we had a project called Manta Network just launching a couple days ago, and they literally spiked. For example, on Gate.io, they spiked to $10, and I think the seed round price is the price that seed investors are almost the most early investors in a project. So if you invest seed, the project is quite early, they don't have an MVP or something like that, so it's quite a risky investment. But they bought at 5 cents. They also have different lockup periods and vesting periods, so it's not so easy as it sounds, but still very, very profitable if you can get a chance to invest in a project at seed price, in a good project. Now, this project went up to $10 and went down below to $2. So I want to warn you and explain to you, don't FOMO into the launch, because usually most of the project, like 98% of projects, have a big pump at the launch of the project or the listing on an exchange, and after that they start slowly going down. So you need to be very careful. Don't lose your capital like that. If you invest in a project, invest it early or do it with DCA if you want to stay safe. I think that's a good end for today. Don't forget to take profits, and bye bye.